The power of pain. Rise from the darkness, respected audience. Today, I am not here to comfort you. I am not here to tell you that life is fair. Because the truth is, life is not fair. Life will break you, humiliate you, and throw you into the darkness where no one will come to save you. But the real question is, will you rise from it, or will you let it destroy you? Many people live their lives waiting for something to change, waiting for things to get better. But let me tell you the harsh truth. Nothing will change unless you change. You have two choices in life: suffer and remain weak, or suffer and become stronger. Pain is your greatest weapon. Most people fear pain. They think pain is a curse, a punishment. But let me tell you something, pain is a gift. Pain is the fire that forges the strongest warriors. Pain is the teacher that builds the most powerful minds. Pain is the force that separates the weak from the strong. Look at the most successful people in history. They did not rise because life was easy for them. They suffered, they fell, they were betrayed, they lost everything, but they never gave up. When people insult you, when they betray you, when life knocks you down so hard that you feel like you can't get back up, this is the moment that will define you. Will you stay down, crying about how unfair life is? Or will you stand up, wipe your tears, and turn your pain into power? Think about it. About every great leader, every champion, every legend has walked through fire. They have been through suffering that would have broken most people. But instead of breaking, they used that pain as fuel. Michael Jordan was cut from his high school basketball team, but he used that rejection as motivation to become the greatest of all time. Elon Musk was bullied as a child and nearly went bankrupt trying to build Tesla and SpaceX, but he refused to quit. Nelson Mandela spent 27 years in prison, yet he came out stronger and led a revolution. What's stopping you? No one is coming to save you. Stop waiting for someone to come and help you. No one is coming. No one will carry you out of your suffering. No one will hand you success. No one will feel your pain the way you do. If you are broken, fix yourself. If you are weak, become stronger. If you are lost, find your own way. The world doesn't care about your struggles. It only respects your results. The sooner you accept this, the stronger you will become. If you want something, you have to fight for it. You have to wake up every single day and push yourself harder than yesterday. You have to train your mind, discipline your body, and strengthen your spirit. No excuses, no complaints. Just hard work and relentless effort. Turn the darkness into strength. People will call you crazy for dreaming too big. They will laugh at you, doubt you, and tell you that you are not good enough. But remember this, the strongest minds are built in the darkest places. Use their hate as fuel. Use your failures as lessons. Use your loneliness as motivation. There is a monster inside you, a version of yourself that is stronger, smarter, and more powerful than you can imagine. But you will never meet that version of yourself unless you push through the suffering, unless you embrace the pain, unless you become so strong that pain no longer scares you. The final choice: weakness or strength? Right now, you have a choice. You can continue to let life beat you down. You can continue to make excuses and blame your circumstances. You can stay weak. Or you can rise. You can fight. You can become the strongest version of yourself. The pain you are feeling today is not here to destroy you. It is here to build you. Let it shape you. Let it make you unbreakable. Because in the end, only those who refuse to surrender, only those who rise from the ashes, only those who embrace the darkness and turn it into strength, become legends. So ask yourself, will you break or will you rise? The choice is yours.